Open the coding window and create a new co-block script. Our goal is to make the light strings change their colors randomly, so we'll start with the Set Color co-block. In the Data category, you'll find a random color block that we can place into the color field. Since we want this effect to repeat continuously, we'll use the Forever block. However, the color would change far too quickly, so we need to slow it down with a Wait co-block. Place it like this. All that's left is to duplicate this co-block and assign it to all the other light strings in your scene. If you are already more advanced in programming, you'll know that there are other ways to do this, but we'll keep it simple for now and revisit better solutions another time. Hit play to test it out. Let's look at Santa next. To stay organized, we can create a new co-block script just for Santa. You don't have to do this, but it makes it easier to see what's happening in your scene. All we need here is the Move on Path co-block. Select the path and choose a duration for Santa to travel along it. Hit play to see if it looks right, and you're good to go. Now things get a bit more advanced, as we want to bring some life to our ice skaters. Create a new co-block script and give it a name. Make sure the skaters are enabled for co-blocks. Instead of the simple turn block, let's use the version that includes a radius field. This allows us to make the skater turn around a defined radius instead of spinning around their own axis. For the ice skater woman, set her animation to leisurely skating and then make her turn with a radius. The idea is to vary her speed during the lap, so we'll need to use these co-blocks multiple times. After the first half lap, change her animation so she performs a pirouette. Co-blocks run sequentially, but we actually want both ice skaters to move at the same time. To do that, we need a run parallel co-block. Great! You can hit play at any point to test your code. Okay, she's moving, but we still need to adjust her position and change her direction. Right now, she only completes half a lap, so copy the turn co-block and move it further down. Now she will skate leisurely for half a lap, then switch to a pirouette for a quarter lap. To complete the circle, paste the co-block once more and set the animation back to leisurely skating beforehand. Since we don't want the skaters to stop after one lap, add a Forever block again and place everything inside. Hit play to test your code. You may notice that the male skater stops after some time and only continues once the female skater finishes her lap. To avoid this, make sure the timing in the top sequence matches the combined timing in the lower one. From the Special category, add a camera, if you haven't already, and explore your Winter Wonderland. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!